What's good, everyone? Accent Boy here, back with another video, man. And before I get into the video, do me a quick favor: like, comment, and subscribe, man. And shout out to my loyal subscribers, man. But however, man, I got a crazy story, man. Something that I saw on World Star, and shout out to World Star, man. It's so crazy, man, when it comes to the justice system and how unfair it is when it comes to African Americans, or should I say blacks. But however, I have a crazy story. It's just a short video where I saw this guy who goes by the name of Larry Person. He's actually 36 years old. And they're saying that he got a total of 70 years. 70 years. Yes, I said it. But guess what, people? Guess what? For spitting at police officers. And to be honest, I do not think this guy deserves 70 years for that, but I'm going to play the video and let you guys hear more about it. But also they were saying that he have past criminal history, but to be honest, I believe there's more to the story. So I'm going to let you guys see the video, then we'll come back and chop it up.
In prison for a Lubbock man found guilty of spitting at Lubbock police. A jury handed that verdict down to this man, 36-year-old Larry Pearson, today. He was found guilty on 2 counts of harassment of a public servant for spitting at the officers. Pearson was arrested in May 2022 for a domestic violence incident. As he was being taken to jail, Pearson started kicking the doors of the officer's vehicle. When an officer opened the door to tell him to stop, Pearson spit at both of them and continued spitting at them until he got to jail. Pearson also had prior convictions of aggravated robbery and continuous family violence. Due to those convictions, the minimum sentence Pearson could have received would have been 25 years.
All right, guys. So there you guys go. You guys heard the clip. And to be honest, it just goes to show you how very unfair the justice system is when they're handing down certain sentences. And as I said in the video, you guys heard that he have past criminal history, and none of those history involve killing anyone. And they're saying that if he didn't spit on those officer, he would have gotten a lesser time. And to be honest, I personally think that they're trying to make an example out of this dude based on his behavior. You know what I mean? And you have murderers who get less time for taking someone's life, and how crazy that is. And you can't give someone that amount of time just for spitting at that officer. And this just goes to show you that a lot of these people, especially in the South, in a racist state like Texas, they have no regards for black life at all. And yes, I understand that the dude, he messed up and he have no one to blame for himself. But 70 years to spend his rest of his life behind bars for something like this is totally uncalled for. You know what I mean? And as I said, I'm not trying to pick up for the dude, but come on. Come on. As I said, there's murderers who are getting less time for taking a life. And here you have a dude who only rob, harass, and spit on law enforcement and getting 70 years. That's crazy. You can't make stuff like this up. You know what I mean? And as I said, I really think that they was setting an example out of this dude. And when you live, and it just made me think about the state of Texas, because just like many, we always use social media just to see what's going on in certain states and so whatsoever. And they're saying that down south there's a lot of racist white people down there, and so-called Texas is one of those states. And a lot of people are saying that, oh, Texas is this great place to live whatsoever, but a lot of people don't mention the racists that's from those towns. And to be honest, it made me think about going to state like this just trying to enjoy myself or whatsoever. I have family that live down there, and to be honest, I don't even think I want to go to that state, man, because I heard that state is very strict. And not only that, you could see how they're very strict. Because I heard, correct me if I'm wrong, for people who live in Texas or know much more about it, if you're 16 and you're charged, they could charge you as an adult as a crime or something like that. And I'm like, damn, there's no type of regards for no one in Texas. And I personally don't understand how people live in that state, just like Florida, man. But it's just crazy out here, man. And I do deserve that. I do think that this that guy deserve another another trial, because this is just unfair. This is unfair, because ain't no way. And personally, man, we as black men, we gotta do better, man. We gotta get our life in order if we wanna do better, man. Because we shouldn't be keep on repeating history, man, going down the same road over and over and over again, filling jails, killing each other, hating on each other, man, for no reason at all. So most of the time we have no one to blame but ourselves, man. We gotta change our mentality so we don't have to be ending up in situation like this. You know what I mean? I really don't understand why a lot of these black men love going to jail. Like there's nothing in jail but a bunch of men and different type of criminals with different type of mindset and no freedom. You think I want to give up my freedom just to go lock down days, hours, months, years with a bunch of men? Can't do anything, can't even see females, nothing. You know what I mean? We gotta think better, man. And I'll try to set things better for our kids, man, because we're the one that they're looking up to and they're seeing these behavior like it's okay. So people, just let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.